Want to keep sales flowing even when your products are out of stock? ShopLentor's WooCommerce Backorder Manager has you covered. In this video, we'll show you how to set up back orders and never lose a sale again. Let's get this set up. Here's how. Go to ShopLentor Settings Modules and enable the Backorder module. Set a backorder limit either globally or per product. You can also specify an availability date and customize the availability message for your customers. Now, go to the Product Edit page. Under Product Data Inventory, select Backorder and set your limits and dates. Once done, head to your product page. The backorder notification will be visible, allowing customers to place orders even when the product is out of stock. Don't forget your cart page will display the backorder message too. With ShopLentor's WooCommerce Backorder Manager, you can increase sales, manage inventory, and keep customers happy, even when products are temporarily out of stock. Ready to start? Click the link below and start managing your back orders today. Thank you.